Hello guys, welcome to my video. With this I will show you how I turn a dryer to powerful jet engine. Yes, this is a motor from dryer, head dryer to powerful jet engine. So with this I will construct a drone. It will fly using remote control and batteries. So this is 24-volt motor I put inside. So I'll put regulator which will be regulating the voltage to the required voltage. Voltage regulator to regulate the starting and flying pulse. Just keep following me. I will show you how I did. This is the regulator, and I will use a battery charger to get the 24 volts and 12 volts. So I'll be controlling the volts from the battery charger. Here we go. As you can see, I've connected the negative and positive wire attached to the motor that will run like jet engine. This is how it is. Yeah, this is how it is. So we're gonna start it now. You see how it runs. So the motor started running slowly because this is 12 volts. You can see the motor is running, it's making sound. So once I put the 24 volts, the voltage will increase, which then the motor will start pressurizing and it will be moving. You see, this is how it is. You see, it's moving. It's moving, you see, you can see, it's moving, you see, because of the pressure, you see. So if I stop it, you see, let me drag it back again, so that you will see. You just drag it, you see, this is starting, and when taking off, you see, it will go, it's keep moving, so it will move the jet, it will go, you can see. So if you keep following me, I will take you to completion.